Hi everyone, we're back with another Beefree tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Veeva Vault to Beefree. Veeva Vault is a cloud-based content management platform designed to meet the needs and demands of the healthcare, pharmaceutical, and life science industries. It simplifies email marketing by streamlining content creation and approval workflows, reducing compliance risks. It also serves as a centralized hub for managing email marketing assets and enhancing team efficiency. With our Veeva Vault connector, you can now take advantage of Beefree's simple and easy-to-use email builder, where you can freely collaborate with team members and centralize all your designs in one place. Here's how to connect Veeva Vault to Beefree. In the right corner of the builder, click the Exit button. Then, in the Details page, select Export. In the pop-up menu, click Push to your sending system, and then select Veeva Vault. To connect your Veeva Vault account to Beefree, you'll need to add your URL, email, and password. It's important to remember that only owners, admins, and managers can connect to a Veeva Vault account. When you're ready, click Connect. We're now successfully connected. To export our email to Veeva Vault, we'll need to fill out a few required fields below, such as name, from, and subject. However, organizations may introduce additional mandatory fields to comply with their internal marketing policies. In those instances, you'll need to provide that information as well before continuing. Any required fields that appear in this modal are configured in Veeva Vault. Once this information is filled in, hit Create. We can now click this link here to access our email within the Veeva Vault platform. Inside Veeva Vault, we'll land directly on our email. And here we can review the draft, make edits to custom fields, and work our way through the various phases of our email campaign. Another key feature of our Veeva Vault connector is that it seamlessly hosts your images directly within Veeva Vault, ensuring compliance with your organization's internal and privacy policies. Right now, it's not possible to edit your exported Beefree emails directly in Veeva Vault, but the good news is we're working hard to make that possible. If you need to make any changes to your design, that's no problem. You'll need to make your edits in Beefree and then follow the same export steps as before, making sure to select Update Existing to refresh your email draft within Veeva Vault. This is something we recommend doing regardless, to not only leverage Beefree's user-friendly no-code capabilities, but also to ensure your emails are fully optimized for your sending platform. And that's a wrap. Harness your creative superpowers today and start crafting emails that leave a lasting impression on your target audience, all with the help of our Veeva Vault connector. Thanks for watching.